How to make a two-family installation with the kit EASYKIT. For details on how to connect the two monitors, please refer to the dedicated tutorial, which can be found in the video links. It's important to remember that R1, R2 of the first monitor must be connected to D1, D2 of the second monitor. The switch settings of the second monitor must be set to slave and F2. Now insert the power plug for each monitor. Make a test call to each monitor using its individual button on the entrance.